RELEVATE is a broad-spectrum neuroprotective nutritional supplement that closes gaps in nutrients critical to brain health. These are nutrients that, at the population level, we don't get enough of. Now, when we first started designing RELEVATE, we needed a philosophy for it, a guiding principle, so that at the end of the day, we have a product that is coherent and that makes sense. And we realized quickly, as we looked at the evidence, that the most compelling and some of the strongest evidence for the maintenance of cognitive abilities and brain health and reduction of risk in age-related brain decline and ailments really comes in the study of brain protective dietary patterns. Now we're talking about the diet as a whole, as opposed to a specific nutrient or a type of nutrient. And these are diets that you may have heard of, like Mediterranean diet, the MIND diet, the DASH diet, or other diets that have been derived through research. And the great thing about these diets is that they all have many things in common, and that gives us a clue as to how we can design for brain health and nutrition. And so that's what we decided. We said, let's design around these brain protective diets. And it's a very simple, elegant concept. You take the oldest people with the healthiest brains and you look at what they eat. And at the end of the day, what we arrived at is something unique. We arrived at a unique set of nutrients. And the great thing about these nutrients is that they represent a wide array of benefits to the structure and function of our brains. Antioxidant effects, immune modulatory effects, toxin and toxic exposure effects, signaling, ion flux balance, many different benefits. And the great thing is that we know that they're intended to work together. They're meant to be together because they all come from and co-locate and follow those same brain protective dietary patterns that we started with. And we call it RELEVATE. Elevate the most relevant nutrients for your brain, the ones that we don't get enough of. That's RELEVATE.